you go, did you go? Seven times that shots fired. Show me your hands! Drop the gun! Drop the gun! Seven 9 dispatch. I'm not hit. He's running. Correction. Eastbound from the C building. He's still got a gun, silver handgun. Motorcycle helmet on. Yeah, we need to start setting containment. He ran right through the bushes that way.
Okay. Are you unable to walk is what you're saying? There you go. Keep coming. Keep coming. Keep coming. Walk to me, please. There you go. Good. Keep coming. Hey, can you keep your hands up for me? Thank you. Keep coming. Keep coming. Keep walking to my boy. You're doing great, man. Keep walking.
You bring him back there, Nelson?
Keep walking. Hey, come through that opening right there. Keep coming. Keep coming. You're doing good. Keep your hands up. Thank you. Doing great. Keep walking.
You bring him right out here. Whitney, you got to bring him back.
Keep coming. Keep coming. Great. All right, perfect.
All right, here we go, fellas.
Behind you, okay? Can you reach back? Can you bring your left arm back? It's gonna hurt, I know that, buddy, but we gotta make it safe, okay? Yeah. Thank you. Stay right just like that. Yeah. On top of my car, there's medical supplies.
Yeah. You want to do it right here?
Yeah, I'll do it right here.
Taylor, command. He's in custody.
All on top of the car.
We're providing medical aid, but I'll take medics.
You got medical aid?
Taylor to Yates, I don't know if they can get around you. Just when they stop there, just send them down to me.
Okay, take off that. Hey, you want this open stuff? You want this stuff? The open stuff? So, I've got a tourniquet here, but I will need the Turlex and that 4x4 in just a second.